today on Captiva Island. A bunch of little shell piles. So I'm just going to sit right here. What do you see, Robert? My husband sees something. I'm not for sure what he sees. I see a spiny jewel box. Is that what you saw?
Spiral.
There's a spiral right there. Is that what you were talking about? Lots of little neat spirals. Oh, there's another one right there. Lots of spirals. Guess that Robert's found a small one. This is the type of pile where you kind of just sit down and sort through it. It's a good thing I like spirals. It's definitely small shells. Let me get on my knees. Almost fell over. Nope. It's a small spiral. Oh, wormy. Everyone pointing at the screen. There's a shell. There's a shell. So many to look at. Yeah, right now I'm pretty much just focusing on spiral shells and olive shells. Of course, I'm always on the lookout for Junio. Is that how you say that? Junio. It's been a couple years since I found a whole one of those. Alright, let me get off the ground. Go to the next shell pile. Not exactly thrilled about the sound of all the jet skis, but I don't remember that being a sound on Sanibel. These are called picton pods. Let's see what better way. My shadow is not blocking. So, for sure, yeah, these are all by a tide. So the tide is completely different than what it's like on Sanibel. We are on Captiva right now. Captiva South Seas Resort. You can see the tide is way stronger. shadow, aren't I? Kind of hard to see in my shadow. It is still turtle nesting season, so the Captiva also has turtles like Sanibel. So these yellow poles is so people know where the turtles are, to leave them alone so they can nest undisturbed. Some palm trees, but a lot of the palm trees got destroyed. What year was that, honey? There was a huge hurricane. Pretty much flattened the island. So they had to rebuild all the palm trees. That was years ago. Yeah. Trying to stay out of my shadow is hard. There's a piece of a turkey wing, I think is what those are called. Are you finding these? So that's not placed by my husband at all. Thank you, honey. Found me some spirals. See, why can I not find like a huge clamshell intact like that? That would be nice. I can't say I've ever really found a huge shell. I've definitely watched videos of people on Sanibel finding huge chunks and stuff. Yeah, not me. A lot of the time you find those huge ones in the water, and I've watched too many shark attack movies on TV. I ain't getting in that water more than ankle deep. There's a spiral. Alright, not bad. It's first day. Maybe that tropical storm will bring some good shells in or rain us out. That could happen too. So, yes, we are on Captiva Island. Today is July 31st, 2020. The South Seas definitely has a resort feel. Not 100% sold on it. Not for sure. I really like this resort feel. But we're here for 4 days and